Oh my, are you kidding? Can the car do this? Oh my gosh. Leaving Plettenberg Bay on the way to the Canopy tours in Tsitsikamma. There's an awesome view of the lagoon and the beach. There's a lot of hills here. We've taken the alternate route of the N2 to get through to Tsitsikamma, and we've come out through Nature's Valley. And hopefully we still get there on time. It's a really beautiful mountain pass, but it's very slow because it's quite windy and there's quite a few cyclists cycling up the pass. One of the most popular hiking trails in South Africa is located here, called the Otter Trail. You need to book well in advance because it's always fully booked and you've got to wait months to get a spot before you can get onto the Otter Trail. It is quite scenic here and you can see some baboons crossing a little river. I'm having my doubts about making it there on time. Tsitsikamma Forest. This is the windy road along the mountain pass. So we went all the way to the top of the mountain, down to the coastline. Now we're down on the mountain pass. It is very windy and steep. This road looks well used by cyclists and runners, not by cars. It is a public road, but you can see that there's not many cars that come past here based on the leaves on the side of the road. And there's a little stream along the roadside here. It's a little dam. Oh my gosh. We're even getting out of here. There's rocks that fall from the sides here. Can two cars pass here? I don't think two cars can pass here because this grass and leaves have taken over the road. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, 2 lanes again. But this road looks very dangerous. That literally, that road has been taken over by the...
forest has just reclaimed the road. It's a said, that's it. This is not your place. This is mine. I'm taking
Oh my gosh, these trees are just overgrown and...
it. It's not maintained.
wow. I don't think two cars can pass here. I hope that didn't scratch the car. Oh gosh. Are we getting
But
out?
isn't this actually the route we have to be on or not?
No.
I mean, it's just because we did the alternate.
Yeah.
And then on Google Maps it say route overgrown.
Oh my gosh, this route is just completely overgrown. It's amazing. I've never been on a road like this. It's a main road. It's an R102 road. So it is a public access use road. Oh my gosh, there's just rocks lying on the side of the road that have fallen off the mountain. Trees growing through the edges. You can see there's just no 2 lanes here. This road's become 1 lane. Definitely would not recommend driving this at night.
During the day.
Well, driving it during the day would not be recommended as well. So not coming back this way just because of a safety issue. beautiful, but I definitely would not recommend this drive. Even if as a scenic drive, the roads are just collapsing there.
Very nice to cycle.
Yeah, I think cycling is the best option here.
Even then, it's very steep though.
It's very steep and winding, even with cycling. Running, would not recommend running here. Well, it's very steep and very winding, so
Unless you're training for a very difficult
unless you enjoy that kind of stuff, then the R102 in the Tsitsikamma Rain Forest is a definite must. I'm still hoping we get there on time. Here's a cyclist. Oh my gosh. This person's gonna think we're crazy. Here's a cyclist. Crazy person. Okay, this is even worse than the road we've just come from. I thought that was bad.
This is better, at least just and it's all closed in with the trees.
This is the Eastern Cape mountain. Look at how fat the tires are. Is that like a motorbike?
No, they haven't seen them.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh, you've got to go over. Oh my. What? Are you kidding? Can the car do this? Oh my gosh. I should go outside and film this.
Much time.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, was that like for real? Wait, I have to. The car just made it over that huge bump. Oh my gosh. This road is much better as we continue to the Tetsukama Canopy tours, the zipline experience located in the Tetsukama Rain Forest, one of the many adventures located along the South African garden route. On either side here you can see a number of alien species of trees planted. These are grown for harvesting for commercial use. Our booking is for 10 a.m. and we've got 10 minutes to get there. Hopefully we get there on time. So it's taken about an hour and 15 minutes to reach the Tetsukama Rain Forest from Plettenberg Bay. I'm really looking forward to being suspended 30 meters above the indigenous forest floor with cable that slide between platforms. Some of the trees in this area are over 700 years old. We need to get to the detailed safety briefing and then kit it up before the short drive to the first platform. Okay. What's your name? Kamala. Okay. I'm at Tetsukama Canopy Tours in the Eastern Cape. Going to the briefing room to get the safety instructions and kit it up. This is the briefing room. Catch the next vlog for the zipline experience through the giant Otanikwa yellowwood trees in the Tetsukama Rain Forest.
Will be 91 meters. Second longest slide will be 64 meters. The highest platform will be approximately 20 meters. So if you are a little bit scared of heights, only 20 meters across the top. I guess none of you are scared of heights.
So there's a lot of safety measures being taken for COVID. You get disposable gloves to use inside these tougher gloves. Also the face shield and the insistence on wearing a mask with the thing that goes behind your ear. No buffs are allowed. It's the first time I've come across that, where a buff wasn't allowed.
On the way back, we discovered the road that we've just been on was closed, but it was only demarcated closed from the one side.